Okay, open it.
Where? Do you see your name?
Yeah, right here. This is mine.
Okay.
Put the name on.
Open it up.
Okay.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
What is it?
A dollhouse.
Oh.
Is there two there? There's two boxes in one. What's the second box? No, right here. Come here.
They're taped, honey.
Look. Oh, little doggy.
I got two.
We got three.
Three.
Huh. So we got this one, and this one, and this one. See?
Matthew, don't eat the paper, buddy. Hey.
Want to pick it up?
Oh, he's not. He's playing. Anything else, Julia? Why don't you keep opening? Maybe help Matthew.
No, buddy.
What?
This is Julia. This one says Julia. This one says Julia.
Let me see. What's it say?
Julia. Look.
That's a big one. Let's see what it says. It says Julia and Matthew. So it's for both of you.
Yes. That's heavy. Heavy.
All right, stop and just open it right here. What is it?
A filled house.
Oh, you can build blocks, big house?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be fun.
I can't get this off.
That's okay. Is there anything else? Are we all done?
Okay.
Did you check your stocking?
I don't think you're done. There's still one wrapped over there.
Where?
There's one wrapped right there. Oh, you can open it.
Open it up. Show them it when you're opening it. Matthew, what are you doing? No. Hey. More cars?
Cool. Hey.
Mike, can you grab Matthew?
Hey, buddy. Oh. Here you go, bud. Matthew, right here.
Julia, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Here you go.
Who's that for?
You.
From you?
No, for you.
What is
Let me
it?
take Mommy opening that.